Hi guys, a quick update on yesterday's charity shop haul. These three items needed batteries and looking at. We'll talk about that one first. I showed you this rowing boat with the bump and go setup. I've cleaned the hair out of the mechanism and put fresh batteries in. I'll put it on the floor so we can see what it does. Yeah, so that works, bump and go. I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought he might have been animated a bit, move around a bit, but he doesn't. I expect if he's got oars that touch the floor, that might make a difference, might make him rock about a bit more. And it's not perfect, those tyres are a little bit old, they don't grip the ground very well, so sometimes it's not moving. But he works, I love it. More than I wanted to pay, £1.99, I'd have preferred £1. It's got a lot of detail in it. As an original model, I think it would have been very nice and probably well worth whatever they paid for it. But in the condition it's in now, yeah, I'd have preferred to have paid £1. So the transmitter, all I needed to do was put a fresh battery in it. There's a typical radio controlled car, 27 megahertz. This one's 27 megahertz. Unfortunately, right gives me left, and left gives me right, and forwards gives me backwards, and backwards gives me forwards. But other than that, excellent. Well, that is excellent anyway, because that will match with cars that have their controls reversed. So very pleased with that. Good purchase, 49p. This little car, I happen to have a suitable charging lead, which I plugged in there, charged it up. It was missing the centre pin to get the steering back to the middle, so all I've done is bent a paper clip and pushed it up inside so it's between the springs. So now it centres itself. And switch it on, and we got pretty flashing lights. And this one's 40 megahertz, so with my 40 megahertz transmitter that I have handy, forwards gives me forwards, backwards gives me backwards. Steering doesn't seem too happy, and it's the complete reverse to this one. So right gives me left and left gives me right. But we'll put that on the floor and have a quick run round with it. It's a bit fast. Right then. Backwards, forwards. We are getting wheel spin as soon as I touch it. I'm not touching the steering, that's just because the wheels are spinning that it's turning. If we try and give it a bit of steering. It's a bit difficult to remember to go left for right and right for left. Again, 49p. Got a good little battery in it. Works fine. I've got another controller somewhere that's got reversed left and right. So very pleased with that. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.